We are at the Lowe's building in Wytheville, Virginia, and we have a very unique elevator.
It's over. Yeah.
It's weird.
That was really fast.
Hit the second floor.
What?
Hit 2.
Yeah, it's gonna just go down a tiny bit and open up.
Yeah, look at this. It's going down leveling speed.
Yeah.
See, look how small that is. It's just down one flight of steps. See?
That's funny.
Here's your phone. And now down the one we go. What do you think about this elevator?
Interesting. Nice though.
You know, sadly, this is going to get more views than any elevator in town.
Yeah. Fortunately.
Check this out. Get out of the elevator. I'll show you something.
Oh, it's got a bumper.
Yep, and an electric eye.
It's an interesting, normally you see the arrow right there.
Last time I came here, this elevator was turned off, I think.
Yeah, there's a key switch on it.
There it goes.
That's it.
A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more. And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.